Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 animals that can survive after death. So before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel for future updates. Number 10. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are famous for their tenacity and are often believed to be the most likely creatures to survive a nuclear war. They can live without their heads. In fact, they can go on living for 2 weeks without their heads. But how do these bugs survive decapitation? First of all, the cockroaches don't bleed a lot like humans when we cut off their heads. They have an open circulatory system which translates to little to no blood pressure, so if their head pops off, the wound discloses naturally due to clotting. Number 9. Bees. There is a good reason why they appear on this list. Even though a bee might be dead, it can still sting you, not in the way that you think. Dead bees obviously can't go flying around and actively sting you. The thing is, their sting and, more importantly, the venom delivery system will still work even if the bee is long dead. When a bee stings, the sting detaches from its body, leaving it embedded in the skin of its victim. Number 8. Chickens. Chickens can run around with their heads cut off. Yes, and there's a very simple reason for this. The reason is human error. This error happens to be a butcher's error. The chicken's central nervous system is very different from humans. Some basic bodily functions are controlled not by the brain itself but by certain parts of the brainstem. Number 7. Octopus. An octopus continues to move after being chopped up. The reason octopus's arms maintain mobility even after being chopped off is quite fascinating. It's because their central nervous system is quite unique. Most of an octopus's nerve cells, 2 out of 3 of them, can be found in its tentacles. And these arms can continue reacting to stimuli even if they are no longer connected to the main brain. Number 6. Salamanders. The salamander has always been synonymous with long life and immortality. Salamanders have the uncanny ability to regenerate any part of their body that has been chopped off. These regrown parts actually function the same as, or in some cases even better than, the original parts. This is mainly because of a special protein found in salamanders which facilitates the replication of cells. This protein can also be found in humans but in smaller quantities. Number 5. Frogs. It has been discovered that frogs continue to move around even when their brains are dead. If you leave the frog's head intact but take out its brain, a head but brainless frog actually behaves very similarly to a frog with its green matter perfectly intact. If you pinch its feet, it will hop away. Put it in water, it will swim to the side, and climb out. And most amazing of all, it'll even croak intently if you stroke its back. Number 4. Flies. Flies can survive freezing temperatures and go into suspended animation. You can freeze them for days. After giving them some heat they will be back as normal. Also, female flies will live for several days after they have been decapitated. Such beheading females assume an upright stance comparable to that of a normal fly and can do and engage in complex actions such as preening and flying. Number 3. Turtles. The hearts of fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals alike have their own pacemaker cells that take over when the signals from the brainstem are not coming through. For some reason, it ensures that the heart still functions for a while even when the brain does not. But the turtle took it to a whole new level, and this is because their hearts are cut off from the oxygen and nutrients usually supplied by the blood. Number 2. Snakes. Snakes can still kill you with their heads chopped off. The snake's head has its fangs, and deadly poison sacs still have the ability to bite you and deliver deadly venom even if it's no longer attached to the rest of its body. The snake has heat-sensitive pits on either side of its face which it uses to detect threats. These heat-sensitive pits are capable of detecting a threatening presence for hours after death. This means the snake's head will continue to defend itself and can bite you if you get close to it or try to pick it up thinking it is dead. Number 1. Flatworms. Flatworms, or planarians, are known as masters of regeneration. They can rebuild any part of their bodies after amputation. If one is cut in half, the head portion grows a tail and the tail portion grows a head. Cut it into 20 pieces and 20 new worms, each an exact copy of the first, are created. Thank you for watching our videos. Please for more videos like, share and comment our videos.